You've got different chocolate and different textures, which I really enjoy. I love it. I love it. I'm going to keep eating it.
Fridge. My sauce was a bit too hot and it's melted through the sidewalls of my chocolate, which were already not great. And I now have sauce all over the side of the plate. So, a disaster.
The only person right now that knows it's not how it should be is you.
Yep.
All right?
We'll be all right.
So, Tony, Forest Walk.
Who doesn't like Black Forest Gateau?
Me,
apart
me,
from William?
me. I hate
chocolate. Whether
Black
you
Forest
like
Gateau.
chocolate and cherry or not, chocolate and cherry, time-honoured combination. I'm looking forward to eating it.
That's fine. You have nothing to worry about. No, seriously.
Thanks, Greg.
I quite like it. I quite like the sort of theatrical, melty bit.
Right, ready to go?
Ready to go.
Well done, mate.
Good job.
Thank you.
He can get away with this, though.
I think you can get away with it as well.
How are you?
Thanks, Tony.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You have a tempered chocolate cup with a chocolate sponge in the base, a cherry and kirsch mousse in the centre with a cherry sauce on top, served alongside a chocolate soil with some cream and chocolate decorations. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
I feel really disappointed after that. I got plates of food up, but not plates of food that I'd intended to serve.
I rather like the look of this. There's a sort of blingy naturalness to it. I like the fact that the cylindrical cone has collapsed under the heat of the juice. I don't like a Black Forest Gateau, but I like a forest walk. You've got different chocolate and different textures, which I really enjoy. I love it. I love it. I'm going to keep eating it.
I don't particularly like it, I have to say. And I quite like Black Forest Gateau. I don't think there's enough kirsch. I think it's fine, but I think if you're going for something this delicate, it has to be better than this.
You could say that it needed more kirsch and more personality, but I think it's a very sound piece of work.
Have some of yours.
Oh, yeah. Well, God.
I love that cherry sauce around the outside with that rich, dark chocolate sponge.
It's just delicious. It's absolutely delicious.